Hello highlighters, it's Leo here. Welcome back for another highlight. And you know what time is it? It's another unboxing time with the new Happy Meal McDonald's toys here in the Philippines. Yay! And yan, nakita nyo naman, midnight, first day of release, nagpunta agad sa McDonald's to get this new set of Happy Meal toys. And it's currently 2:38 na nga ng madaling araw. At before tayo mag-sleep, i-unbox muna natin to. Yan. And actually, I'm so excited with these toys kasi ang cool niya. And they're featuring the miniature toys. Yan. And let's start with the Happy Meal box. Yan. So here's the comparison. Here's the original size of the Happy Meal box. And inside of this one, I've got the small version of the Happy Meal box. And the name of the new Happy Meal toys is the Lil McDonald's or the Little McDonald's. Yan. Okay. So what's great about this one, yan. So para siyang Happy Meal box. Or in short, it's the same as Happy Meal box talaga. And yung ganitong design ng Happy Meal box, actually, it's from the US. Actually, yan. Kasi diba iba yung sa Philippines, oh. Okay. And inside of this box is the toy. And it's another Happy Meal box. Ang cute! Oh! So cute, right? So yan, let's start with this toy na. Sige. It's the Happy Meal with the robot. Okay? So, uy! May QR code ulit. So later on, let's count this and let's check what's inside the virtual game. Yan. And did you know that sa Philippines, 10 lang ang nilabas, but sa other country, more than 20. So yan, marami pa tayong i-hunt. And inside of this one, yan, mayroon siyang card. Okay. Then, yun. Naka-feature lahat ng mga toys yan. So para siyang checklist. Diba? So let's check kung pare-parehas siya from other toys and the QR code. Oh, cute, no? Sana ganito yung game. Diba? Parang McDonald's Frenzy. And alam nyo ba, sorry, marami na naman chika kasi na-miss ko kayo highlighters. Kasi sa other country like UAE, sa loob ng Happy Meal, merong stickers. But sa atin, the robot. Yan. So, let's check in 1, 2, 3. Oh! So, yan. Here's the robot. 1. Hey. Cute. Diba? Para siyang merong toy sa loob. So, ito lang yung gimmick niya. Simple but cute, right? In 1, 2, 3. Hey. So, yan. So, here's the first toy. Okay. So, wait. I'll show you the closer look of each toy. So, pakita ko ulit ako later. So, let's go! The closer look, ito muna tayo sa kasama na card inside. So, yan o. Diba? And next one, here's the Happy Meal box. Yan. So, kung nakita nyo kanina, ganito siya arrange once na binili nyo, and pwede nyo siyang gawin ganito para siya talaga siyang Happy Meal box, diba? Mas nice. So, box pa lang. Pang collection niya, diba? Nice. And here's the closer look of the Happy Meal box with robot. Solid toy lang siya. And there's a button at the back wherein you need to push it in order to see the robot. Yan. Simple lang siya, but it's cute, right? Okay. Okay, so let's proceed with the toy number 2. Here you go. And it's the drink dispenser. Yan. So it's the same, I think. Yan, same lang yung card niya, 'di ba? Sana iba-iba yung per ano, no? Pero anyway. Pero sa tingin niyo ano yung unang mabibili dito, 'di ba? So alam niyo na. Okay. Then here's the closer look of the second toy. Wait, I'll just set this aside. It's the drink dispenser. Oh, cool. Para siyang ano, no, yung dating toys na McDonald's, yung McDo playset, 'di ba? Pero mas interactive 'yon rather than this one. Kasi ito, para siyang display. Or pwede yung, if you're familiar with the Smisky toys, yan o, pwede siya dito, 'di ba? So, yan. Oh, cool. Yan, just press this button to see the drink or the water or the soda drip. Mm. Another one in 1, 2, 3. Mm. Ala, ang cute. Ang cute niya, oh. Di ba? Well, okay, alam na natin na sure na mas bilis to maubos. Alam nyo na, highlighters. Okay? And let's check pala. Oh, na-fold din yung box. So, alam nyo na. Cool, right? So, okay, we're done with the drink dispenser. Let's proceed with the third one. O, third one pa lang. Bilisan na natin. Baka butin tayo ng 1 hour. Kaadaldal natin. So, here's the takeout bag. Yan. Let's see kung may gimmick siya. And, hindi na natin ilalabas or isa-isayin yung pinaka-card kasi it's the same. No, same lang siya. Okay. Ooh, and here's the paper. Paper takeout box. Tama? Takeout bag. I mean, yan. Takeout bag siya. And, yun. Cool. So, let's check what's inside the paper bag or the takeout bag in 1, 2, 3. Ooh, nice. Nabubuksan talaga siya, no? And there's a sticker inside. Ooh, cool. Yan. Ito yung McDo playset dati, 'di ba? So, ito yung mic, headphone ba yan? Then may Golden Arches logo, Happy Meal box. Toy display, wala tayo nito sa US meron. Ito, I'm not sure pa, ano ba to? Clamshell. Here's the card, paper bag or takeout bag, the logo, the signage, wala rin tayo nito dito, and the smiley. And alam nyo ba, yung sticker na to is the same. Or, I'm not familiar pa, pero alam ko ito yung kasama niya sa Happy Meal box sa other country. So, yan. And here's the comparison, no? Same size siya halos, diba? Anyway, we're done with the first, second, and third. Sige, dito natin ilagay para makita ninyo. Okay? And fourth one. Here's the golden Happy Meal box. Ooh, the golden one. See? Okay, same pa din siya. Diba? And let's check what's inside the golden Happy Meal box. And comparison side by side, it's the same. Oh, mas maliit pala. Sorry. Mas maliit yung golden Happy Meal box. Diba? So, hindi siya nabubuksan. Ay, nabubuksan to, ito, na may press yung button. So, yun. So, as far as my understanding, hindi ko ba kasi nakikita yung other one, but the regular box na Happy Meal box from other country, ganito siya, yung may napupull siya. So, stickers yung laman nito. Probably. So, let's check if we're correct in 1, 2, 3. Oh, diba? Sabi ko sa inyo, may stickers nga. Diba? So, halos the same siya from the previous one or sa takeout bag, diba? Same lang siya. But the difference that may tray to and, may golden tray din. And gold yung pinaka-sticker niya. Oh, diba? Metallic gold. Wala pa rin siya sa likod, by the way. Yan. So, that's it for this one. So, that's all for this toy. The gold Happy Meal box. Okay? So, let's proceed with the fifth one. And it's the burger grill. If natatandaan nyo yung McDo playset, diba? Nag-flip yung burgers, diba? And nag-iba yung color. And let's check kung ano naman meron dito. Yan. Cool. Alam nyo, akala ko dati, trash can to. Pag naka-cover, mukhang trash can kasi, sorry na. But let's check what's inside in 1, 2, 3. Ooh. There's a burger inside. Diba? Luto siya. Wala naman siyang button. But, nag-flip siya. Tama ba? Oh, okay. Manual flipping lang siya. Yan. So, here's the regular one or the hindi pa luto. Or ito yung may dressing or onion bits. I think. Yan. So, yan. Manual lang siya talaga. Cute. Diba? Cute for display talaga. Yung toy ngayon na Little McDonald's. So, yan. Here's the burger grill. Let's proceed with the next one. Here's the McDonald's restaurant. And alam nyo ba, as per looking pa lang dun sa display, parang ito agad yung pinaka-favorite ko among the set. Diba? And for sure, ito agad yung unang mauubos sa tingin nyo highlighters. Oh, diba? Nakakatawa lang, no? Kasi yung meron taga-US na nag-review na nagbumili siya ng Happy Meal na almost 12 pieces or 12 nga I think or 10 lang yon, then puro ganito yung nakuha niya. 'Di ba kasi blind box po sa US, but 20 plus siya. Yun, ang dami nating kulang, 12 I think or more than that. O yan, so it's nice yan, 'di ba? Siya yung pinakamaganda for me. The McDonald's restaurant. And here's the closer look. O, di ba may signage pa siya. And what's great about this one is that natatanggal yung roof. And may details or may decals inside. Oh, nice. Diba? So, alam nyo na. May panalo na. So, yan. Okay. So, that's for this one. Yan. And I think, baliktad rin natin, pwede ba? Check natin kung pwedeng baliktad. No. So, ganito lang siya. Nice! Alam nyo na. So, that's all for the McDonald's restaurant. Okay? So, last 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, last 4. Next one, here's the 4 pieces chicken McNuggets. Okay. So, let's check kung removable ba yung clamshell and nuggets inside. Diba? Super win ito talaga. Pero mas win to kapag na-complete natin lahat yung 20 plus. Yan. Okay. And highlighters. Don't forget to follow and subscribe on my page across all social media platforms in Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and of course, here sa YouTube. Yan. And naka-fix siya. Yan. And tray, here's the tray. Oh, diba? Detail yung tray. Wag ka. Nice yung tray. Pero nakakatawa lang kasi laki niya yung restaurant. No? Diba? Pero sana may tray lang din or removable siya para pwede niyo ilagay yung paper bag. Pero anyway, yan, hindi natatanggal yung clamshell and yung nuggets. Yan. And I'm not pretty sure pa kasi may kulang. Hindi pa natin nare-review lahat, but sa iba kasi may burger to and may fries, I think. Yan. Diba? Cool. Anyway, there's nothing to do much here sa 4 pieces chicken McNuggets. So let's proceed with the next one. Here's the drive-thru. Okay, let's check. Diba? Ang dal-dal ko pa rin kahit anong oras na ito. But please bear with me, highlighters, medyo matagal na tayo hindi nag-full review ng mga toys. Kasi ngayon naglabas ulit ng laruan yung McDonald's yun, no? Diba? So, it's made out of stickers lang. Sana ginawa tong yung what they call that one, yung 3D, yung nag-iba-iba, no? Para siya mukhang TV, 'di ba? Or monitor, 'di ba? So yan. And sana umiilaw siya. Maraming request. Pero it's kind of great, 'di ba? So, yun. So, papasok ka dito yung car and here's the drive-thru. Yan. And what's great dito, meron siyang truck and wala dito na-release na truck. So, alam niyo na. Diba? So, there's nothing to do much again here sa drive-thru. But, ayan, ito yung order here. And dito yung screen. Yan. Yun lang naman. Pero sana ginawa na nila para napagkukunik-kunik lahat. Okay. Anyway, let's proceed with the next. Here's the play place. Yan. Ito, medyo nostalgic, diba? Since other McDonald's, since then, meron pa rin itong play place, diba? And meron ito sa McDonald's PRC Makati. But I'm not pretty sure kung meron pa rin or pwede pa rin siyang gamitin. Okay. So, yun. Natatanggal ba siya? Oops, hindi. Hindi siya natatanggal. So, there's no gimmick with this toy. It's pure display lang. Yan. And for sure, mga adults matutuwa dito. Ewan ko na lang sa kids ha. Pero hopefully, matuwa rin yung mga kids nyo. But for me kasi mga adults yung mga mahihilig or mga co-collector friends ko dito. So yan. And yun, here's a closer look. I'll guess, it's a slide. Diba? It's a slide. Hindi siya box ha. It's a slide, you know. Meron, anong tawag dito yung mga balls, diba? Then, yung maze? Wait, maze ba yun? Tawag doon? And itong mga blue is the slide yan. Connecting slide. And yellow, ito yung labasan. Yung paikot. And ito, pwede kang sumilip dito. Ito yung sa original, sa mismong play place. Ito yung door. And that's all for this one. Ayan, yung naiikot-ikot siya. Oh, nice naman ito. Nakakatawa. Anyway, here's the play place. And last but not the least, here's the booth. Okay. What's yung booth na tinawag, no? Ibang booth yung meron siyang stall. But, or pwede siyang chair na lang. Ay, marunong pa tayo, no? Yan. Again, highlighter sa, uy, may sticker. Butit yung next natin. Same pa rin naman yung inside. Anyway. Oh, there's a sticker. Yan. Okay. But I'll think I'll not use this one. So, if you have this toy, go design your toy with the stickers. Yan. Kasi once na dinikit nyo dito, since sticker rin siya, like dito, yan. Kasi pwede nyo designan, yan. Kung anong meal nyo inside, like this one. Set your table. You could set your table by using these toys. Yan, diba? But pag dinikit nyo to, mahirap na siyang tanggalin. Since sticker din yung nakalagay. Diba? Mapupunit. Yan. Diba? Nice. May sana ako nakaupo dito sa McDonald's mismo, no? Or sa Grimace. Diba? And there's a take-out bag. The Happy Meal crayons, I think. Oh, crayons. Oh, drawings. Cute. Nagbandalism pa. Or nasa paper naman to. Anyway, and here's the golden tray and the regular red tray. Yeah, nice. It's a boot. And sinasabi ko na bagay ito sa Smisky. Okay, so that's all for this toys. It's cute pa rin naman. So before we proceed with the virtual game and scanning the QR code, I'll ask you first, which one is your favorite among all 10 Happy Meal toys? And let's do a review lang. Yan. So here's the regular one, the middle one, or the box. Ang cool ng box talaga, oh. Ang nice, diba? And here's the smaller one. Yan. Here's the Happy Meal box with robot. Yan. Let's have a recap lang. Yan. And here's the booth. Here's the stickers. Here's the play place. Here's the drive-thru. Oops. Sorry. Here's the take-out bag. The 4 pieces chicken McNuggets. The soda dispenser. Eee! Cute ang gimmick. Here's the golden Happy Meal box. The, what we call this one? Wait, I forgot. The burger grill. Yan. Diba? With manual flipping. Hopefully hindi kayo mapaso. And last but not the least, the McDonald's restaurant with removable roof. So, yan. So, which one is your favorite among all 10 Happy Meal toys? Kindly comment down below, highlighters. Yan. And don't forget to share if you like this video, ha? And again, kung bihira man ako gumawa ng mga full video, just follow me on my reels. Nag-update ako doon lagi ng more boodles, okay? So I'm just doing this one para mas marami tayong usapan, mas marami akong mabigay na details, 'di ba? And about the closer look ng mga toys yan. Anyway, okay. So, which one is your favorite among all 10? For me, syempre ito. The McDonald's restaurant. May tatalo pa ba dito? Ang ganda talaga nito. Diba? Anyway, here we go. So, anong oras na? Baka 3 a.m. na actually. Yeah, 3 a.m. na. So, let's proceed. Scanning the QR code and let's check kung anong meron dito. So, anyway, here we go. So, here the Little McDonald's virtual game. So, let's play. Yan, so play the game. And rotate your device. Okay. So, wait. Unlock ko lang. Yan. Yun. Then, continue. Uy! Hala, ang cute. So, let's play. How to remove this one ba? Hindi siya natatanggal, no? Anyway, let's play. And select your character. So, let's choose this first one. Oops. You will have 2 minutes 30 of time, 30 seconds of time. Send out as many orders as you can. Ooh, parang restaurant frenzy. Ba tawag doon? So, grab price. Okay. So, all items must be placed in the Happy Meal box. So, okay. So, yan. Almost send the order. Awesome. Send the order to the drive-thru. Oh. So, ganun siya. You'll gain 5 seconds for every correct order. So, paano nang gagawin? So, ito. Tapos dito. Then, sa drive-thru. Tama. Next, ito. Ano ba to? Apple slices. Happy Meal box. And then, sa drive-thru. Oh. Then, we're done. I think, yan. So, ipa-follow nyo lang nandito. So, fries. Then, Happy Meal box. Yan, tapusin natin. Then, lalagay sa drive-thru. Cute! Okay. I think, dapat pupunuin mo muna yung Happy Meal. Alam mo, mali yung ginagawa natin. Kaya pala hindi niya nabubuhat yung Happy Meal. Mali yung ginagawa natin. Sorry na. Yan, so kunin yung fries. Sabaw, ngayon ko na nalaman. So, kukumpletuhin pala natin muna lahat yon. So, here's the burger, I think. 5 seconds. Here. Saka natin ibibigay. Wala. Time's up. Yan, naghang tuloy. Pero we pass naman. So, fantastic. Oh. So, new character. Wait, pakita ko lang yung correct. So, babae naman. Ito na lang. Pakita ko lang yung correct, ha? So, in 1, 2, 3, yan muna. Yan. So, like this one, fries and robot, ayun pala yung ilalagay nyo dito. Yan. Then, after that, ilalagay nyo dito. Ayun, pag hawak-hawak na yung Happy Meal box, sa kanyo ilalagay. Ganun naman pala. Mali tayo. So, yan. Missing na lang yung robot here. Lagay nyo here. Then, doon na. Diba? Mali tayo kanina. Yan. Like this one. Last one. The apple slices. Isa-isa ha. Then, robot. Or the toy. Then, here. Then, yon. Ayan, ganun siya. So, anyway, that's all for now, highlighters. Hopefully, nag-enjoy kayo for this time. Yan. Kahit medyo sleepy na ako at naglalag, pasensya na for that one. Kasi para mauna naman tayo, di ba? At alam ko naman na na-miss nyo yung mga ganitong full review. So, yan, that's all for now. Yan, and as promised, sorry, nakalimutan ko na i-review yung Pokemon toys na sinabi ko last video na i-review ko yung Pokemon toys wherein I got it from UAE na McDonald's na yung mga figure na Pokemon siya. And that's the time na nirelease dito yung mga trading cards na Pokemon. Yan, sa iba kasi iba. So, yan. Paki-flex ko on the next video after this one. Don't worry. Yan. So, that's all for now, highlighters. Hope you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and be one of the certified highlighters. See you on the next highlight. Good night. Bye!